For my presentation on the Great City Principle, I decided to research the concept and benefits of green roofs as opposed to traditional roofing. The construction of green roofs first took place around 500 BC. Since then, they have been developed all over the world, initially in Germany in the 1960s. An overview of the concept of green roofs is a roof that has been turned into a green space through the layering of different plants and a growing medium. If one were to build their own green roof, they would need a few materials. To start, you would need a waterproof membrane that possesses monolithic properties. Then you would have to place a sheet of plastic with a maximum length of 6 millimeters. Now you would have to install one or more sheets of foam insulator with a 3/4 inch width over the plastic sheet. We are almost done as you now have to add one drainage mat. Once the drainage mat is in, add a growing medium for the base of the soil. And once the soil is in, add your plants. Green roofs are a great alternative to your standard everyday roof. They provide a financial convenience to the consumer as they don't require as much maintenance, they are eco-friendly, and they remove harmful air particulates from our atmosphere. In terms of benefiting the consumer, green roofs not only protect the roofing material from external influences such as the sun, rain, wind, and temperature fluctuations, but it even doubles or triples the lifespan of your roof for up to more than 60 years. In addition, they improve stormwater management by reducing runoff and improving water quality, and reduce the amount of heat that can pass through a home, saving the consumer money on air conditioning. As mentioned previously, they help remove air particulates whilst producing oxygen and providing shade. Furthermore, the construction and maintenance of green roofs provide business opportunities for roofing contractors, plant producers, landscape designers, and contractors, and other green industry members, while addressing issues related to environmental stewardship. One place that recognizes the benefits of green roofs is Chicago, Illinois, as pictured here. They are one of the leading cities that have implemented green roofs with 450 buildings using the technique and plan to have 6,000 by 2020. Newark, New Jersey is another city that uses green roofs as they have around 600,000 square feet of the technique, registering in as the second biggest city in terms of green roof usage. However, DC ranks as the top city in the world with the greatest square footage of green roof installations, registering more than 1 million square feet of green roofs, according to the Green Roof for Healthy Cities. As has presented in the last couple of slides, the places that are taking action tend to be big and significant cities. Yes, these big cities do produce most air pollution and need the positive environmental boost, but where else could we implement green roofs? The problem that faces green roofs in today's society is that they seem to be pretty domesticated within the United States. We need to work with big cities and large urban areas and convince them to make the switch from traditional roofing. Implementing them in parts of Asia and Europe will guarantee a significant change in the environmental impacts that face the world today. An area in desperate need of the environmental impacts is the whole continent of Asia. Over two-thirds of all air pollution deaths occur in Asia. In the big cities like Shanghai and Beijing, pollution rates have risen from the results of commercial manufacturing. The Green Roof for Healthy Cities develops and protects by increasing the awareness of the economic, social, and environmental benefits of green roofs, green walls, and other forms of living architecture. DFW, Best Roofing, Live Roof, and Sky Garden, along with GRHC, are all involved in the construction of green roofs and advocate green roofs through the companies in which they have provided for major cities like Toronto, Philly, New York, and others. Making the world a greener place not only helps the physical environment, but also makes people feel better. This change in attitude can reduce in the amount of stress and depression that one experiences in the workplace, especially in urban environments. Over the next several years and decades, if we can manage to get these green roofs all over the world, we will see a significant turnaround in climate change, smog rates, medical expenses, etc. There would be a monumental drop in the worry of house management, financial implications that come with living under a rock or brick roof, and not having to make the hard decisions about where to live if you want to move your family into an urban community. In terms of how much we need to increase and spread the awareness of green roofs, Michigan State has done a good job of implementing green roofs by adding one to Wells Hall and the molecular plant science buildings. If we can use our actions that we have learned in our class, then hopefully we can go out into the world and make the world a better and healthier place to live.